Okay, hello everyone, hope you are well and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at classical Paperboy, which I have reviewed on several systems, but today I'm gonna give the Amiga version a go here. So, I don't know exactly the amount of money that is to the left there, so I'm just gonna push F1 here for 80,000 and hope for the best. Okay, so I'm just gonna play the easy street here. This is the different difficulties. So I'm just gonna go for easy street. So here we go, Monday morning. Yeah, I'm a big fan of Paperboy, of course, on various systems. So here we go. Yeah, it looks great actually. Looks great. Sounds great as well. Cool. Yeah. Very positive. Piss off. Dirty dog. Yeah, I missed some of my subscribers. So, oof. And I crashed in the windows of my subscribers as well. Catastrophe. You're gonna lose my job probably here, but never mind. There you go. Yeah, try goes pretty slow here. There you go. For the non-subscribers, they can piss off. Yeah, I missed. Damn it. Yeah, it gives me point when I destroy windows for non-subscribers, so. Haha. Bastard. Okay, here's the training course. I should try here. Do my best if I can finish this one. Can I do it? I'm out of papers now. Bam, bam. Time is up! I was so close. Okay, did I lose any customers? No, I don't know. Doesn't say. Okay, here we go again. And then dirty old dog here. Yep, new day, new possibilities. Damn. Lawnmower. Whee! Dirty dog, piss off. What the hell? And I'm missing all the... Have that. Yeah, don't do so good here, but never mind. I should. Come on. This piece I'm missing a lot. Let's screw up the graveyard here. Haha. Come on, I'm missing all the papers. I'm so bad at aiming, so I'm out of papers. And I cannot get up on the sidewalk either. Catastrophe, catastrophe. There you go. I am not fired yet, I'm still surviving. And I'm missing. Yeah, there you go. Another one, another hit. Another one. Haha. Can I make it this time? I would be so happy. Time's up again! Can't believe it! Yeah, piss off, you dirty old dog. I have that. Yeah. Paperboy calls it quits. Yeah. I was not fired, I believe. I quit. Okay. Yeah, I should try once again. Easy street once again here. Piss off. There you go. I should try to do better. I should see if I can make this bonus training course. Would be cool. I have that. Come on. Okay. Something like this. Yes. Let's break some windows and mess up the graveyard. Like always. Haha. I'm missing my subscribers as well. Yeah, can I beat my own record? I wonder. Here we go again. To try to go faster now. It's so picky with time. Time's up! I was so close! How can it be so picky with the time in this version? I don't remember it being so picky in other version, but... Here we go, Tuesday. New day, new possibilities, like I used to say, so... I have to stay positive here. Let's go this way. Ah. I'm messing up my subscribers' homes. Ah, caramba. Piss off, lawnmower. Ooh! Yes, I made it. Ooh. Okay, here we go again. I have to go faster now. I'm out of papers. Time up! Again. Damn it! Okay, Wednesday, here we go again. Piss off. What the hell? They didn't give me any chance. Yeah, it's getting crowded here. A dirty dog. Yeah, I have a better score now. Oh, damn it. Yeah, call it quits. I call it quits once again. Yeah. It's hard to work under these conditions. Yeah, as a poor working boy, and they are just bombarding me and yeah, making my life miserable. What a waste. No, I'm just kidding. It's a great version. It's a great version. It's one of the better ones, I believe. We're gonna give it an 8 out of 10 for this one. So there you go. That was Paperboy on the Amiga. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.